Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to turn off iCloud Music Library on your iPhone. So if you no longer want your Apple Music library to sync across your devices, then just follow along. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down and then tap Apps. Then scroll down and tap on Music. Here you need to look for the option called Sync Library. On older versions of iOS, this may be called Sync Library or iCloud Music Library. Tap the toggle to turn it off, and if prompted, you need to confirm your choice. Keep in mind that turning off Sync Library stops your Apple Music library, playlists, and changes from syncing between your Apple devices. Music you've downloaded through Apple Music may also be removed from your iPhone, but it will remain available in your Apple Music account as long as your subscription is active. And if you want to sync your library again later, simply return to the same setting and turn on Sync Library back on again. So that was how to turn off iCloud Music Library on your iPhone. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.